Ooh, some bacon in here would have been fire. What we're making today? Today we're making a TikTok viral cabbage boil, except this one is different. Better, different, faster, okay? You don't take an hour to make cabbage. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been making it, and it's the perfect side. If you need some type of greens on the side, this is it. So I have a medium small cabbage here. I'm going to cut it in half like this, and I'm going to cut it again, so into quarters, and then we're going to cut them like this. So you have something like this, okay? Perfect. I'm going to just transfer it to a bowl because we gotta wash it. Quickly chop these. And we have our cabbage ready to go. Let me give it a rinse, okay? Now I have my baking tray. I'm going to transfer the cabbage in here. Don't mind the noise because they're cutting the grass out there. So just gonna place them in here. I know you said you can't see, so I move you guys closer. So we're going to start by seasoning it. I'm using Cajun seasoning, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of lemon pepper, and also some Old Bay, okay? I'm going to just mix it all together, you know, so we can have every part of it nice and nicely seasoned, okay? Now we can go ahead and add some minced garlic, add it all over. Let me just mix it with it. This is going to come out so good. I think mixing it is better instead of just pouring everything on top, right? Looks good. Once you're done, you're going in with some onion. Yes, yes, yes. You see how I cut the onions? The same shape as the cabbage. Perfect. And next, I'm adding some hot sauce. You don't have to, but I do like a little kick in there, and also a little bit of chicken broth. I'm adding it, broth, wow. Broth. There you go. Yo, I have braces and I have to learn to speak again because I'm just, I don't know. Anywho, perfect. Also, we got some butter, unsalted, because you don't want to make it salty, okay? So I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces like this. Not too much. You don't want to make it too greasy, okay? So perfect. And I'm going in with some lemon. I mean, this is a onion boil slash baking slash stop. Just gonna squeeze that on here a little bit. And next, and now we have our cabbage ready to go. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna bake this on 350 for about 30 minutes, okay? I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. It is ready, y'all. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. I love it, love it. And of course, I have my plate. Look at that. That looks delicious. It smells so good. I can't stop. It smells so good, y'all. This on the side of a, I don't know, baked chicken, white rice, mashed potatoes. If you want to add other veggies in here, you can. This is better. It didn't take much. It took me about 30 minutes. Let me just plate it. This is taking too long. Let's plate it and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Oh, it looks so good. Y'all see the steam? Ah! We did it, y'all. We did it. Let's give it a try. It smells so good. You know, I just realized some bacon. Oh, some bacon in here would have been fire. Next time, next time. If you make it, add some bacon, but let's try it. Oh my gosh. Let's try it. Ooh, you know how it is. Okay, let's try it. Give me this by itself, I'll eat it. I'll eat it by itself. This is a meal right there. Ooh, got a little kick to it. But this is delicious, y'all. Y'all gotta try this. And it has more flavor than the whole cabbage, because of course, like what? Of course, this is amazing. Y'all gotta try it and let me know what you think. If you tried the viral cabbage boil, the whole cabbage before, let me know. I have it on my page, but do it this way, it's even better. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm about to go eat. Deuces.